In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic FAQ section to your web page using an accordion block. This is a fantastic way to organize information, as it allows visitors to quickly find answers to common questions without having to sift through long paragraphs of text. Let's dive right into the steps to get your FAQ section up and running. First, go to the specific page and section where you'd like to add your FAQs. This could be on any part of your website, perhaps on a contact or product info page where users typically have lots of questions. Now look for the Add block icon, which is usually represented by a plus sign. Clicking on this will open up a menu where you can find various kinds of blocks under different categories. From this menu, locate the Accordion block. You might find it under either the Basic or Advanced categories, depending on your site builder. Once you've found it, click and drag the accordion block onto the desired spot on your page. Placing it just where it makes sense contextually is important, as it will make navigation intuitive for your visitors. Next, it's time to add your questions and answers. To do this, double-click the newly added accordion block to open up the content editor. Inside the editor, you'll see that each question and answer pair is labeled as an item. You have two fields to fill out for each item: the title, where you will enter your question, and the description, where the corresponding answer goes. Fill in these fields with your first FAQ entry. If you have more questions to add, simply click on Add Item to continue expanding your FAQ section. You also have the flexibility to rearrange the order of your FAQs by dragging the six-dot icon next to each item. This can help prioritize the most commonly asked questions so they appear at the top. Once your content is in place, head over to the Design tab to make your FAQ section visually appealing. Adjust the text styles by, for example, setting the title field to Heading 4 and the description to Paragraph 2. This will help distinguish questions from answers, making the section easy to read. The Design tab offers a variety of customization options, such as changing fonts and alignment, and even some fun tweaks like swapping out the default plus icons for arrows. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial as it will ensure all your hard work is visible on your live site. Once saved, refresh your page to see your newly added FAQ accordion in action. Your questions should now be neatly tucked away, revealing their answers only when clicked. This not only keeps your page looking clean and organized, but also enhances user experience by making navigation a breeze. And there you have it. Enjoy your new streamlined FAQ section, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to update or expand your FAQs in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!